Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Roblox fan on PS5 and you've been hitting that pesky error code 529, you're in the right place. This error usually pops up due to network problems, software glitches, or server issues, and it's more common than you might think, especially in 2025 with all the online gaming updates. Don't worry. I'm going to walk you through simple, step-by-step fixes that can get you back to building, exploring, and having fun in no time. Let's dive in. First things first, check your internet connection. Make sure your PS5 is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. Open your PS5 settings, go to Network, and run a connection test. If it's spotty, restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. A strong connection is key for Roblox to run smoothly. Next, give your PS5 a fresh start. Sometimes, a simple restart fixes temporary bugs. Hold down the power button on your console until it turns off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This can clear minor glitches causing the error. Now, let's update everything. Head to your PS5 settings, select System, and check for system software updates. Install any available ones. Then, open the PlayStation Store, search for Roblox, and update the app if there's a new version. Keeping your software current is crucial for compatibility in 2025's gaming world. If that doesn't do the trick, try clearing the cache. On your PS5, go to Settings, Storage, Console Storage, and select to rebuild the database. This process might take a minute, but it helps remove corrupted data that's messing with Roblox. Another important step: check the Roblox server status. Visit the official Roblox website or social media pages to see if there are any ongoing outages. If servers are down, you'll just have to wait it out, it's not on your end. As a last resort, reinstall Roblox. Uninstall the game from your PS5 library and then download it fresh from the PlayStation Store. This can eliminate any persistent files causing the issue. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to banish error code 529 and jump back into your favorite Roblox adventures. If you're still stuck, drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay gaming.